Hello everyone, my name is Peter and welcome to my life coaching channel. So what can you expect to find on this channel? Since life coaching cannot really be passed one directionally, it is not like a teacher-student relationship, it is co-created. On this channel I can at least share some of my experiences, the experiences from my own battle with depression and what was diagnosed as ADHD, with my experiences with clients, and of course by the many mentors that I have known and especially read in most of the instances only. My work is based around the books of Michael Neal, also the classics like Napoleon Hill, also classic coaching books like Coactive Coaching, for example, or Mindset. So in the future, I'm planning to make a live stream when there's a little bit more of us in the subscriber base, and we are really going to do some coaching, at least into the subject that people are not afraid to share among other human beings. Of course, if you want to contact me directly for coaching, you can always use my email address, which is pete@executivepsyche.com, or you can visit my webpage itself, which is executivepsyche.com. And if you're wondering what life coaching even is and why I said in the beginning that it is not a one-directional thing, it is not a teacher-student relationship, you can watch my video on what is life coaching. I'm not quite sure what I titled it, but it is going to be chronologically probably directly after this video. And with that said, I hope to see you around here, or rather you will see me around here. I will hope that you will make some comments, maybe put a like where something inspired you or just, fit right with your current situation. And I will see you, or you will see me rather, a bit later.